Do you want to use comedy to help your clients and customers and generate leads and sales for your business? Or have you considered attending the How to Make Ads That Sell Like Crazy Using AI Challenge by Kristine Mirelle? Today, I'm going to share with you about my experience and let you know whether or not you should spend your time attending this challenge. I'm ELISE Michelle Nelson. I'm a YouTube business strategist and lead generator, which means that I help you use video to create visibility and generate leads for your business. Today, we're going behind the scenes to see if the How to Make Ads That Sell Like Crazy Using AI Challenge is trash or treasure in Kristine Mirelle's Free Ads Challenge Day 1 review. And the very first thing I want to talk about is who Kristine Mirelle is. Kristine Mirelle is a hilarious advertising expert. She started out living on a farm with no money and very limited Wi-Fi and needing to make money to support her child. And now she's an ads expert who is helping people make their businesses funny so that they can generate leads and sales and help their clients. So let's jump into what it is that she actually has going for her, which is the fact that she is just hilarious. So this is what the landing page for the Make Funny Ads Challenge looks like right now, but let's take a look at one of her videos, which is the one that actually is advertising this challenge, so that you can get a taste of what Kristine Mirelle's style is.
Hey there, entrepreneurs. Did you know that having great video ads could help rocket ship your sales into the stratosphere? Why? Because great video ads perform better than other types of ads. Yeah, in fact, we're on set right now. Let me show you.
This drink will show you how to fuck ass.
Pedro, I think it's pronounced focus.
So what I said, fuck ass.
It's important that you say and do the right things in your ads so that you can grab your customers' attention. Click that link below and I'll show you how you can create awesome ads so that you can get more sales, leads, and comments like this. Your ads are the best. This is my favorite ad I've seen on here. I love you, Kristine. Here's a picture of oh my gosh, what is wrong with people? Now, when you sign up below, I'm gonna show you how to sell more of that product that you're selling, to sell more of that service that you're selling, and get you tons of comments and love from complete strangers to help you forget about the love that you didn't get as a child. And the great thing about creating great video ads is that you can shoot them all on your cell phone. No fancy equipment required. And you can create awesome ads that sell even if you have no idea what to say in your ads or what to do in your ads. And it works for any business, e-commerce, digital products, coaches, whether you're a doctor or a dentist or a dog psychic. So click that link below and I'll show you how to create great ads that sell the easy way. And it's backed by my "Your ads won't suck anymore" guarantee. So click that link below and let's go.
You will fuck ass a lot. You will fuck ass very hard. Your girlfriend will love it when you fuck ass. Fuck ass, fuck ass, fuck ass, fuck ass, and fuck ass, and fuck ass, and fuck.
So that's just a small taste of what Kristine Mirelle does for her own business, for her own life, and she has started doing this for others as well. And that is why I thought she would be a really good person for me to attend a challenge and see how she could help me with my business, because I love being a little bit sarcastic and I like using props and it's very much up my alley, right? So that was why I decided to take a look at the challenge and consider doing it. If you want to laugh even more, go check out her other videos at Laugh My Ads Off. She's on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you never miss a tip to create visibility and generate leads for your business using YouTube and video. The second thing I want to talk to you about when it comes to Kristine Mirelle is that she has made millions creating and running ads for all sorts of industries. Here is a picture of her getting her 2 Comma Club award. For those of you who don't know, the 2 Comma Club award means that you've made $1 million. And I believe she's gotten 2 of these awards, and she has definitely made multi-million dollars in her business running funny ads. That is her entire bread and butter, is running funny ads. So she's a really good person to go to if this is a goal for you. And she's done it for all sorts of industries. So this is a playlist. She's done more ads than these, but this was just a fast and easy way for me to show you. She's done ads for entrepreneurs, life coaches, business owners, solar panels, people who are trying to get out of their day job, Xander, coaching programs, that's the one we just watched, car wrapping commercials, all sorts of things. E-commerce, coaching, everything in between. She's done ads for all different industries. And so not only has she proven that she can do it just by the fact that she's hilarious, she's proven it because she's made multi-million dollars doing it herself, and she's worked in a variety of industries. These are the reasons why I considered taking her challenge at all. Plus, I saw her live and in person on stage at Funnel Hackers Live, and I just liked her. So all of these things in combination are why I was considering going to this challenge. Now, before the first day was over, so let's fast forward, I went to challenge. It was actually today. I'm just now getting off this challenge as I'm making this video. And before the first day was even over, I already had a great idea for my funny video ad. So I'm gonna show you what that is. And in fact, before I even left the challenge, I had already gotten on Amazon and found my costume for what I was gonna use to make this ad. So the free challenge definitely got me brainstorming and was a huge help. I came up with a script for my first ad, and we weren't even supposed to be doing scripting yet, but just being in the virtual room with Kristine Mirelle and listening to her brainstorm all these ideas for all these different businesses put me in the right space to be able to do that for myself. And for those who couldn't do it for themselves, she was there to help them every step of the way. But I also bought the VIP upgrade, and during the VIP portion of day one, I created these additional ideas using AI because Kristine walked us through exactly how to do it. And so I have 5 additional ideas that use mazes and circuses and ninjas as illustrations to make the ad more funny and more interesting. So, was it worth it? Is Kristine Mirelle worth investing your time and money in? I would say yes. Undoubtedly, she is hilarious. On top of that, she's proven it with her own business and the other businesses that she has worked with that she knows what she's doing. And my own personal experience attending day 1 of this challenge tells me that she can help you with your business as well. So, even if I don't attend day 2, which of course I'm going to, it was so worth the time and money to sit in the room virtually with Kristine Mirelle and just listen to her do her thing and make every business, no matter how serious, funny. And I highly recommend that you do the same. Click the link below to attend Kristine's How to Make Ads That Sell Like Crazy Using AI challenge. And if you want help using YouTube as a lead and traffic source for your business, not only today, but tomorrow, next month, and years from now, be sure to check out my other videos. I'm so glad that we get to live our dreams together every single day, and I hope to see you next time.